Yo, sup guys? Today we'll be fixing some troubles here. Yep. We fucked up our longboard and now we'll be fixing it. My idea fixing is to get some shape in here, right? Get the shape. Also fucked up this part, so we need to buy glue. And also do something with this. So it will be like I don't know, like this. Okay, it's not looks so good as before as this, but we may use it for a while. It's a kind of not a bad deck in a normal shape, and everything seems to be okay. And just get a form here, make a new holes, paste it, and everything will be okay. I think so. And first thing we want to do is we want to put some lines, horizontal lines. See. I'm gonna measure. You wanna measure this. Fuck yeah. So let's get to work. Right? Time lapse. Boom. Well, pretty nice. I think I'll keep this as reminding or something like that. Okay, so now our longboard is not that long, but it has 4 wheels, and this is great. And actually the key element here to get off some wood, because you will get a wheel bite. You will get too, if you get too close, you will get a wheel bite, and wheel bite is not the thing you want to get, because you'll get hurt pretty bad, believe me. So it's some lines here, the medium line and the additional ones, the additional for the trucks. So everything is steel and everything's equal. Everything's calculated, calculated numbers. The numbers are good. Both sides, the same numbers. Good. The length of board was 104, and now it's oh my god, it's 91. And the truck's misplaced for like 14 centimeters, man. It's a lot of, the wheelbase became shorter. Yeah, the curves became easier, but the stability is less. So I don't know, we'll test it out. We'll do a couple slides. The broken board and the board that you can ride, it's a hell out of big difference, man, and it's good. This is good. Right now I am thinking about cut off something like this. I don't know, something like that. Yeah, it's looks pretty cool. And this is time lapse. Oh my god, 2 left-handed guys, yeah, hashtag 2 left-handed, yeah. I will cut this.
Time for time lapse.
That's it, boys and girls. Two left-handed, finish the job. Looks nasty, looks awful, looks fucking ew, but we finished. We finished the job. Yeah, the masterpiece. Yeah. Because it looks like I don't know, some kind of horror film or something like that. But a couple minutes ago I cut that awful tail and it looked much more less shitty.
Hello? Who's calling? Of course, no! Leave me alone. Need also to put some oil, some protective oil. In Italian it calls olio protettivo. Yeah, pretty good thing because you know, if you cut those and just leave it, the water may harm those edge. Oh, hello there. Yo, what to say now? Now the board has really awesome steering abilities. So it is super steering and it takes less radius to turn and to slide. So the slides are really easy to do and you can actually do a slide on the narrow street on some narrow conditions of riding, and it is great, especially for my style. I love that board responds fast and responds immediately. So in the narrow streets, it is good response, and I love that. For this turns from here to here, it feels really great, you know. You give a command and board turns rapidly. So great.
The main measurements, man. This is science. This is numbers, man. You gotta do it tight, man. Millimeters, okay?